I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish in ZBrush. First, begin by creating a basic sphere or Z-sphere to form the initial fish shape. Then, utilize Dynamesh to merge and sculpt the primary forms, ensuring a smooth transition. Focus on accurately defining the proportions of the head, body, and tail to establish a strong foundation for your fish model. Next, we'll add the finer details. Sculpt the eyes, mouth, and gill structures using your preferred ZBrush brushes. For the fins, create them with good topology using ZRemesher, then sculpt their shape and flow. Remember to refine the overall body contours and consider adding subtle scale patterns or surface textures to enhance realism. Now, let's bring our fish to life with color using Polypaint. Begin by applying base colors and smooth gradients directly onto your model. Layer various hues to create natural color variations and add depth to the skin. Don't forget to paint in highlights and shadows. These will really emphasize the fish's three-dimensional form and make it pop. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and presentation. Use Transpose Master to pose your fish in a natural, dynamic way that showcases its form. Then, render your model using BPR for high-quality images that truly highlight your hard work. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This will help you stay hydrated while you create amazing art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.